Hi, welcome to my projectbuzzer.com.
Now we are going to study a secure protocol for spontaneous wireless ad-hoc network creation. Abstract. A secure protocol for spontaneous wireless ad-hoc networks which uses an hybrid symmetric or asymmetric scheme and the trust between users in order to exchange the initial data and to exchange the secret keys that will be used to encrypt the data. Trust is based on the first visual contact between users. A complete self-configured secure protocol that is able to create the network and share secure services without any infrastructure. The network allows sharing resources and offering new services among users in a secure environment. The protocol includes all functions needed to operate without any external support. Network creation stages are detailed and communication protocol messages and network management are explained. Data flow diagram. First, you have to start the selection process. Then we're going to network selection menu for creating a new network. Then after the network created, creating a session keys. Start the network services. Then we go to start the authentication services. Such authentication devices for or the devices means yes means going to choose a device and then send authentication request. If the authentication request is successful means going to validation of the users in the central authority. Else authentication error through going to network selection menu. If the data is correct means you trust. Then going to save that trusted the data. Then waiting for communication request. So main menu for sharing any resources, encrypting and decrypting values, data, images and textures. Next we have start a project demo for secure protocol for spontaneous wireless network. Network key generation. First you have to write username, password, then browse file, images. Key generation for public key, then creation date for session identifications, expiration date, get IP address, MAC address, then signature values, submit into database, upload successfully. Then we have to find out private component, create session keys and generate private keys, submit into database. Then we have to start our process, login. Now successfully logged. Now we have to create or join group. How to check ID, have choose 45 ID, start network. Then same another user, xxx, password also xxx, browse that file, for image, choose b.jpg, key generation, starting date and ending date, get IP, MAC address, signature, submit, private component, submit. We have successfully logged. Next we are going to login process. User ID XXX, password also XXX. Login. Now we have to go into join the group. Enter IP address is 1.0.0.1. Next, enter IP address. IP address of server is 45. Sorry, service ID for ID is 45. Connect. Then we have to go into authenticate process. First, your ARM process, you have to discover nodes. Get discovery, send request, get discovery values, send request. How to receive that values, then discover nodes. Click send request, discover nodes. For that value, encrypt that data, send node, receive that values, and decrypt, encrypt our server details, send, then receive that values, decrypt that data, then we have to find out the authentication process, trusted node. Next, we have to find out the session key validation. Get my validations, send, receive, get my validations, check, session key validated. Then how to find out trust node, sorry, click trust node, save that data, view trusted nodes. This is for trusted nodes. Next, we have to go into communication process. First, selecting resources for text. High text. Data for encrypting process is used upon RSA algorithm. RSA encryption. First, how to RSA encryptions. Key generation. Encrypted data. Exit. Then we have to apply the digital key generation. Then signature values. We have to send it to another node. Receive, click send. Data has been received. Now we are going to decrypt the data, RSA decryption, high text, exit. Then now next process of file. Means I have to choose txt file. I have checking that file. Time CLR txt. Txt file encryption decryption part is AES encryption. Click AES encryption button. Secret key, cipher text. Now our file has been ciphered. Click. This is our ciphered data. Send it to another user. File received. File has been received. This is our received file. Now we are going to use that file. Decrypting. AES. Get secret key. Decipher. View that file. This is our sent file. The next going to image sending and receiving for without encryption. So sir, I have choose this image. This is send to all option. This send image to specified user. And just want to see this is our received images. Going to performance analysis. Comparing algorithm in milliseconds. ASRSA and ASLSA. Secure routing protocol. Then RSA, ASLSA, and performance analysis of stored nodes versus available source memory. This is more certificate creation data transfer between. This is comparison of cryptography operations. Sending and receiving process has been successfully. Now we are going to exit in our process. Also, stop the process. Thank you for watching this video.